friends, welcome back. In today's video, we will learn about angles formed between the directions. So first of all, I am going to explain about directions. There are basically four main directions, that is north, south, east and west. So these four directions are also called cardinal directions. And then there are four intermediate directions, means the directions between these two directions. Okay, so the direction between north and east is called northeast, and the direction between south and east is called southeast. The direction between south and west is called southwest, and the direction between north and west is called northwest. So these four are called intermediate directions. So in today's video, we will learn how to find out the angles formed between the directions. So as we can see here that these four directions, east, west, north and south, these are perpendicular to each other. So the angle between north and east is of 90 degree. Similarly, the angle between east and south will also be of 90 degree. And the angle between south and west will be of 90 degree, and west and north will be of 90 degree. Now these directions, intermediate directions, are just between these two directions. So that's why this line is dividing this angle in two equal parts. It's bisecting this angle. So this each angle will be of 45 degree. Okay. Similarly, here the angle between east and southeast will be of 45. Similarly, 45 and so on. Now, the next concept which I am going to discuss is about clockwise and anti-clockwise rotation. So, clockwise means when someone moves from north to east, then east to south, south to west and west to again north. So this is called our clockwise rotation. Means when we move in the direction of the hands of the clock. So this is called clockwise rotation. Here I have mentioned the directions also. So from north to east, east to south and south to west. So this is our clockwise rotation. Now anti-clockwise rotation means when we move in the opposite direction, in the reverse direction, from north to west, west to south, south to east, and then from east to again back to north. So this is called our anti-clockwise rotation. So anti-clockwise is just opposite of clockwise rotation. So in today's video, we will do some questions in which we have to find out the angles when there is clockwise rotation or anti-clockwise rotation. So the sequence for anti-clockwise rotation is from north to west, west to south, south to east, then again back to the north. Now we will solve some questions. So the question is, what is the measure of the angle between these given directions? So the first is given north and east, and the rotation is given clockwise rotation. So first of all, to solve these type of questions, draw the directions. Okay. So it is east, west, north and south. Okay, and we have to find the angle between north and east, and rotation is given clockwise. So the angle between north and east, only this much. So this is our right angle or 90 degree. Here only 1/4 rotation has been taken. So 1/4 rotation. In one complete rotation, it's a complete angle. So 1/4 of 360. So that is equal to 490. That is equal to 90 degree. So here our answer will be 90 degree. Okay. Now the second is, now we have to find the angle between north and south. Between north and south. This means from here again, it's given clockwise rotation. So from here, 1/4 and 1/4. Now half of the rotation. Half of rotation, or we can see it's an straight angle is getting formed, and the measure of the straight angle is 180 degree. So between north and south, if clockwise rotation has been taken, so angle of 180 degree will be formed. Okay. Now the next is north and west. North and west. But here the rotation is again is west, north and south, and rotation is given clockwise. So we have to find this angle. This till here. So till here we can see it's 3/4 rotation, and in one complete rotation there is angle of 360 degrees. So 3/4 of 360 degree. Okay, we can solve this and we can find it. 3/4 multiplied by 360. So 4 9s are 36 or 90. 3s are 270 degree. Or we can see that the angle between north and east is 90 degree. East and south is 90 degree. And south and west is 90 degree. When we will add up these three, we will get 270 degree. By both the ways we can find out. Now the next one is, we have to find the angle between north and southeast. So again, first step is draw the directions. So east, west, north, south, and southeast will be between south and east. Will be here. So SE, south, east. And clockwise rotation from north. From north we will start till here 90 degree. Then here it's 45 degree. Because this is just the angle bisector of this. So here this angle will be of 45 degree and this will be of 90 degree. We will add up these two. 90 degree plus 45 degree. We will get 135 degree. So the angle between north and southeast will be 135 degree. So similarly, we can find out any angle between any given two directions if we know the rotation. Now we will do another question. So the question is, find the measure of the angle between these given directions. And now the rotation is given anti-clockwise. So the first part is between north and west. So again, first draw the directions. Mark them east, west, north and south. And now we have to find out the angle between north and west. And rotation is anti-clockwise. We will move in the reverse direction. So between north and west, we know that it's an angle of 90 degree. 1/4 of the rotation has been taken here. So only 90 degree angle will be formed between north and west. Okay. Second one is between east and south. East and south. So from east we will start, or we can draw the another one. Mark east, west, north and south. Now from east we will start and the rotation is given anti-clockwise. So east to north 90 degree, then again 90 until south. This means 3/4 of rotation, and we know that 90, 90 and again 90 degree. So it will be of 270 degree. So our answer will come 270 degree. Okay. Now the next one is northeast and northwest. So northeast and northwest. So again, east, west, north and south. Now the northeast will be between north and east. Here it's northeast, and the northwest will be between north and west. So it will be here. Now we have to find out the angle between northeast and northwest, and we can see that it's a 90 degree angle is getting formed here, because the angle between north and northeast is 45 degree, and the angle between north and northwest is also 45 degree. So when we add up these two, we will get 90 degree. So it's a right angle getting formed here. Now the next is angle between north and southeast. So again, first of all, draw the directions. Mark them east, west, north and south. And north and southeast. So southeast will be here between south and east. It is southeast. And we have to find the angle between north and southeast. So from here, anti-clockwise rotation till here and till here. So the angle between north and south, we can see it is a 180 degree. And the angle between south and southeast is of 45 degree. So to find out the angle between north and southeast, we will add up these two. 180 degree plus 45 degree. So 180 degree plus 45 degree. What we will get? We will get 225 degree. Okay. So friends, now I hope that you understood how to find out the angles between directions when the rotation is given, that is clockwise rotation or anti-clockwise rotation. So if you like this video, then please share it and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and also press the bell icon for getting the notifications of my latest videos. See you in the next video with another concept. Till then, goodbye. Take care.